Yamamo akwaba. Afitumrike na ishia yen. Ewo Facebook and YouTube. Na yamfa kasiyebono enchiri mankasa ensemo. Yesha kasiyebona se ede free Omangana yampapa John Dramani Mahama Kachi. Na yesha ase ede free apomuden ensensemo. Ghana mampen ne dwai ede asem atodwe chirim sei. Omangana ye krado. Ede dwumadie sunku bi be fa ne se Ghana Medical Equipment Services Limited. Eno beboa na ba beka Ghana Medical Trust Fund. A Ghana mampen dia ba eno de boa na my Ghana titiri Trust Fund ne de wa wapomuden konkan na yade akran kwatete wo no na yakofa foto no bi na yade abo asawo yade. Omampeni chirem sei my Ghana yaresabia pi e na bebo awura no akade ne mfidie pi no asesei eba ne sa na my Ghana de hye mo ho emfa woro mo no omapomuden akoto esanim eno wa chinsu na doctor for mu ye adwuma na wonom etempenten kwa ebre pam the senti ne make say cabinet agya tum say oman yenkofa eye Ghana Medical Equipment Services Limited famra eno ba beboa pam na ba behwe oman Ghana mfidia yade beko ayeresabia hodo ene akade so ne koba say ayeresabia bi as ayeresabia bi mfidie sei ana akade bi ni hono a wono mbehwe atotobie ede akobo ayeresabia hodo e wo manyim Ghana man peni chirem say omanyimu ena me no kasei wokọ apomuden bi ahodo pi na chesa akade yi aba wonum sesabe dwonso abo akokọ eba ne sa na apomuden wonsensem akwaya kanapa wo manyim na sebe ya beboa na omampeni betumi hu kwampo befa so am obedim di sikapuduo ede ahya yaresabiam e wo me na bone apomuden konkanti na omampeni ene cabinet agya tum se ne wonom enkofa Ghana Medical Equipment Services Limited emfama na meda no sebe ya wonom be ya dwuma kuro sonko a aresabia hodo nyina bibi sai pe wonom akokototo na omo ede akokra Ghana mampeni yampapa beremo oboata John Dramani Mahama de sadu tudwam na wonom epa eye Ghana Medical Trust Fund eye cardiac eye laboratory dwumadie sonko ano ewo National eye Cardiac eye Center ewo Kolebu Teaching Hospital ene Ghana mampeni echirem sei anamonto ye ade omutuo efrisem omu kirem se emiri bi atwemu no abanda da no wantimi amfasika emfa nhye my Ghana apomuden mu amma omen yayaresabia hodo akade dodo na nko intene ukokolebu ayesimpani honom wokoro ma yesimfidie wei ase yentumi nya adwuma konfo na chi bobu omu kirem se we yade beboa pa se be ya yayaresabia no akade hodo no ebetumi akona gya na so pam omampani kirem se Ghana for Bekaya, Emily Biachim, Emana Yomampeni, Ebede Chiro, Akane, or Mampere Baby Crom, former President Professor Evans at Amaris Etiasiedo, Woman Modern Zika Botane Pam, 250 million US topable money, Echo to Tom Fidie, Ede Command Ghana, Yarsabia who do Pimco Boye, Naso Chirem say, and I'm so may, Yabomodina Baka, Echo Toa, dear the Pam, and I'm sensi poor and as a proper maintenance system, Yenny Bientino. Empirify shahan emvde ni nyina se yensie enti akofo ha pade aba o mampeni kirem sei sanche hye omode abai no Ghana Medical Equipment Services Limited betumi agina ni mu no mahwe na mfidi ahodo access o magana yaresabia ahodo nyina no betuto bi diakọ na boa mo yaresabia ene apomuden sensem akonkan mampeni kirem nsem sei e de kirem nsem twerefo.
We are also learning from something. When I was vice president to Professor Tamils, we spent about $250 million to retool all the major regional and teaching hospitals in this country, provided CT scans, MRIs, X-rays, and all the major equipment that was needed. A few years after that, we found out that most of that equipment was not properly maintained and had broken down, and the hospitals were calling on government again to do another retooling or replace the equipment. It is not a sustainable model. And so we've established a different model for this retooling that we're doing. And so Cabinet has approved the Ghana Medical Equipment Services Limited, which will be a subsidiary of the Ghana Medical Trust Fund. These will be specialized biomedical engineers who will oversee and supervise the use and maintenance of the equipment. And they will be the vehicle if the equipment is obsolete or is broken down beyond repair and has to be replaced. Is the Ghana Medical Equipment Services Limited that will be responsible and be the vehicle for replacing the equipment.
And your man penny send to Japan. And your betia ensemble, sir, Ghana man penny. Wajin samba power kalibu abaya sabia hono manyasi mukumakram. No man penny see ya pen or chem said debi. Nyuma pa Ghana man penny, yan papa John Drum many Mahaman na banya the moon ye. Yan sam found to Ghana for him say. Abayin gusua or boy you might know what you say. A young maternity block and no walk kalibu teaching hospital no. One best in for cram. Baby a wonom, edgia wono. O man penny to him say, see I make say old gorgeous back protein. And near Bia make a same plain or mine Ghana. And my friend from acquire a Savio Kolibu, Honamoko, a quatana, her be a con. Can you tell me that? A quaquay or what video pa de ama a pen for no. And now my wood in Tababa bought to a good. No was for a quad among na bois, nenny papa modane. Yet my bombana pomodins and some aconkai, a woman.
Government remains committed to expanding healthcare infrastructure, strengthening our workforce, investing in medical technology, and supporting research and innovation, and ensuring that quality healthcare becomes increasingly accessible to every Ghanaian. And so let history record that this generation chose to invest not only in roads, bridges, and buildings, but also in the health, dignity, and future of our people. Long after today's ceremony has ended, the true significance of this facility will be measured not by the sophistication of the equipment, by the countless lives it will save, by the families it will keep together, and the hope it will restore to a grateful nation. But before I close, let me also announce that we're going through the procurement process to build a new maternity block for the Kolibu Teaching Hospital. And we will pull down the old Gordon-Gaggisberg building that has today become a death trap. Every other day our mothers give birth in that building. It is a death trap that can cause devastation. And so it is now my singular honor and privilege to declare the Ghana Medical Trust Fund Cardiac Catheterization Laboratory at the National Cardiothoracic Center of the Kolibu Teaching Hospital duly commissioned for the service of the people of Ghana. I thank you. May God bless the Kolibu Teaching Hospital. May God bless you all. May God bless our homeland Ghana and make our nation great and strong.
Any oti ye a Ghana man penny. Yam Papa John Dramani Mahama. No man penny we ye pet. And the Chief Executive Officer at the Makolibu Abaya Sabia. Ya Doctor Yakubu Sedu Adam. Let me say. Omani shepepi agwa kwema wana moboa na edu baabi a lift mfidia epeja nipa de ne kwosoro no edu baabi na sei omugusu siesie ni kama esi akwede po adwuma enyina nkane asensem so na nkwan kra sekobesa omen omuduma nyina mkane a na Kolibu Abaya Sabia so na moso de yekọ sese omansaka amonsaka eye standby generator kese sene ebasa abanpo edum ne nkane ombenya bi sebe ya apomuden sensem ebe kwankan Kolibu Teaching Hospital.
We have set our minds to addressing some of the debilitating challenges that were confronting the hospital. Key among this was the challenge of power supply, especially in the event of an outage from the national grid. This has been addressed through the acquisition of a 2,400 kVA standby generator to support uninterrupted service delivery. Another equally important intervention has been the replacement of 4 old and faulty lifts in the tower sections of the Department of Surgery, Obstetrics and Gynecology, Child Health and Internal Medicine. These interventions are aimed at improving patient care, staff efficiency, safety, and the overall experience of all who access services in the hospital.
Any awuti ye ono anawaye Chief Executive Officer at the Kolibu Abaya Sabia at the Doctor Yakubu Sedu Adam.
Yantoa Kasiabone so na Deputy Minister for Roads and Highways Eyal Hassan Saibu Suyini akasa echemu say eya contractors a road project ahodo no ehwe omunsem ewo eya oman we mu no emomodia ehwe so mbepa kwan kakra bi e dia ma hyenkafo no sane ebeya omonso no ebetimi afaso na the same yi editudwa ewa abra okonsrahwe eye to a okọ ewo mantem ahodo no kodu from mantem ana ochemu say yes kuma junction nyina sa kwantempo na eno ehye ultra nexus for enso omobomodian aye no omo hwe so mbepe kwan bi ede ama hyenkafo na mom se koba se portals ahodo ne so wo hono mo siesie FM awom we kwan ni ba bi ase ni na omo siesie FM asa na be ya traffic na so ebetimi ate na omo so ebetimi afa kwantempo ne so akodi omujuma no the same editudwa echiremu say eyade omobom homodin say eye kwantempo ahodo no ewo eye mantem ahodo no ombetimi asiesie sane ebe ya kwantu onsem ene akwaniaba honsem so no ebetimi akosuye.
On our way here, you would have noticed that sections of the existing road seem to be maintained. Some of the potholes were fixed, and I think it makes movement easy for people who are applying the road, even as the construction is going on. That's another example that we would like many contractors to take on board, because the reports we are getting from across the country, especially, in the south, is that where you have construction going on, it's as if people cannot use the road again. But I think that interventions such as the one we have seen here, when they are carried out by the contractors, the inconvenience that motorists will face as a result of the construction will be less. And His Excellency already has apologized a number of times to the citizens because of these projects. He pledged to make the country a construction site, and with the leadership of the Minister of Roads, my boss, we are actually seeing that, but the inconvenience, if it can be minimized, like we are seeing on this road, should.
Enwechi ana Deputy Roads Minister ekasa na ochemu say ye mpanifo wo eye mpotama hodo ye mantama hodo a ye project no ekoso no emomodian enfento omo so so omo be hwe ama contractors ne so no atimi aye adwuma ewo mno oma hwe omo se omonye no se ne be yom betimi aye niye no sanso ebo eye Volta Regional House of Chiefs for abaso so omo so emomani akọ project no ho no show mun cry so omo kabio wo mu so ebo omo ho we are
impressed by the way you have owned the projects as the local authorities, not just the regional minister, but also the House of Chiefs. And as a ministry, that is the example we want others to emulate in their various communities. Yes, His Excellency John Dramani Mahamad's government is championing this. It is his baby, it's his dream, but it is not going to just serve him as president or serve the minister. Or those of us who work at the ministry. Is going to serve especially the people who live closest to these projects, and we would like to see that level of ownership, local ownership and interest in the work of the contractors at these sites. And I must commend you and your colleague in OT because it is clear that from the interactions, this is not the first time you are also visiting the sites, and it's not.
Eniya uti ye Deputy Minister for Roads and Highways yo nyonyam for Alhassan Saibu.
Yantoa Kasiabone so ne yankwa so anyina mu awase ehwe oman yakwan ene yankwa antempon ensem so. Mechira Minister of Roads and Highways oniminyam for Kwame Gavins Agbeja akase echirem say Ghana ben aye krato. Adwene ho ahune say omanyim ya wa hyan atenten pa kantena honama. Sawadum esi yakwan so ekwana mo ba no mudu omubu atopan wo man yakwan so kire say wo mabba maden afane ma na ma ya mabu so wo mu di bi esai overhead ahodo a wo manyim ene wo chen so niam ahodo a esa hyen yifa no wo mu susu mfa na mum sika ne brenti na wo maden afane ma yin sa eye answer loadi kire so mbefa sa tenten enche na akwan ya ma man mu nyina no na nipa kuma bia se no na Ghanafo ya bragukwa. Na wochirem say yam fanto sa long vehicles sa axle vehicles no yam fanto manim say omen Ghana man peni aye krado one asa hwe omen yakwa na badia hu sensem ana afinsi yakwa na yakwa tempon hu sem be kapum na mo de mfidie sunku bia ba omenyim eno bebo apa ebekọ eyam stations ahodo nyina wo omenyim na munim na mo de ka na kwakwafa ne ma na mo de afidie na cheke wo ka na wo bo akra se wuni na afa ne ma na me busu a mo beji nyina to agu na mo ache wo hyenkan na kotu afiase na wo ka no se abodo don komi e ma Ghana fato no fofofo na etena hwe ade wapin ho kram ode nse de to dwamra na mo bo apro e won srahwe e wa big push akwantempo Ghana mampeni egusu ode tretre ya kwan ya siesie so kama na Ghana fotu kwan ye ho aye ntentem no dwumadi so no kwa so of Framantem voter region ena osofo ko pie no okirem sei edum pempenso bi ha adwen pa o sa axle load foi kwan ya mode o man yi fa so ne ha adwen edum pempen da tumi se wedie ebi ni mo so kura na amanyofo de onte wo kan nka akoya tumi antu wo fanse na ntiri kuro wu mi ande ne ya ne na no chese wo tiam sa enti bon se na yem hyehye wo yese wu jai pe ne na no so be pro enti aba ne sa ne ka akoya den na nipa bi Agyei Sikapa mboto na Ghana akwa nyina SSA senior man kirem se yem fanto manim se yi de hyehye pa ban de be bo apa se be yem mpe Sikapa mbotom kwante eye kwambane so na mo load ne ma azel no be be chete so kama na abo na Ghana akwa ya etimi ache no man yakora esika na Ghana mpuntu nso etimi akoso
political party are not considering the fact that this extremely bad behavior where axle load is seen as like a galamsey, where people go and hijack axle load, extort money from overloading vehicles. Both acts are evil. The overloading is evil, and extortion of money from overloaded drivers is also evil. But we are coming with a technology which will make standing at an axle load station useless. I had a situation where a headmaster of a school with master's degree wanted to resign and become an axle load coordinator for a salary of 3,000. It didn't make sense to me because I know the salary of an average headmaster of a secondary school is definitely more than 3,000. So you can see the motivation of the person trying to have a master's degree, headmaster, want to resign to become a load. It cannot be because of the salary. The reason is in your head. And we want to remove that temptation to start with. That is the problem because the axle load situation across the country is not the right one. And the president made a categorical statement. We will not invest billions to build roads and allow few unpatriotic haulage vehicle drivers to destroy all of them in 3 years. We are not going to allow them to do that. So we have
enya de betwema mokra wo manyimu na ne krakra mu no ana oswafo ono wa na hwe yakwan yakwantem ponsam so oniminyamfo kwa me Gavins Aboja etiremu sei sesi ameka se Ghana abane hwepagwa kombeboa na wo man se yetu kwan a ubahu se okodu kuro kese bi mu a na kese kwan no nipa boa peso traffic na che na nipa nya ba bi mfa okirema sese no ukokuma ase na de ukoduru nkokwo a onwu se mpinifo ya bypass ato nchen enti se hu hia so be fa nkokwo kurodua ni mu na wafa nchen na na akro na kire din odwugu baabai okirema na ba be yes anhyehyeye no no ma Ghana yenkuro wa akese ne kwantem pound ya ye ne be ya bypass ato nchen enti se hyankani a wo kwei ba bi a wo kro no se hu hia so be fa kofodua kurodua no wato afa nchen na wo kro se kumase na akwa uduru nkokwo e kwane da nchen na wo kọ ene Framantem voter region ehu hyansa befa eye ho krodua no wafa nche ne beboa se be ya traffic e chie ne kroblana ne hu hantwo na mumpo amofa sprinter no ne Toyota Hiace na Hiace nim ne de jese fifire pa kroblana hwe nani asese bi obi wabo wi ahamache jese ne hu fifire se tam o kirema no beboa pa se be ya kwantufo ho be hen ha wonom na kwane bedie sensem so etuma konkan de ma o magana President
Mahama decided to prioritize this and do a bypass. The idea is to do a bypass around every major city because basically driving the volume of traffic through the middle of every city would surely create congestion. So the bypass helps. If you don't have anything to do in Ho, you don't even enter the whole township. You just do a bypass so your journey can be smoother. We note also that this contractor is ahead of schedule by almost 5%, which is very, very helpful. If we continue like this, we can finish this project ahead of schedule. This bypass is also very strategic. It links us from, if you are coming from Accra, connects with UHAS, the public university in the region, and then gets us to one of the gates of the airport. So importance of this cannot be overemphasized.
Any auti ye ono na yo swafo me ohwe yakwan ene yakwantempon ensem so Mechira Minister of Roads and Highways Oniminyamfo Kwame Gavins Aboja ena wote nini
Yentua Kasiabone so na Minister for Food and Agriculture Onyonyamfo Eric Opoku Eden Sama to Ja HM say Yadi our 5 Jensen Cody proposal at the back of my bind Sunny Beya. A yam no shebeja fonts so na yanko kwanketin ketu no muso ebeti medium ho agimun. Sunny Beya ombeti me ayen a yanko koni bin so ewo man mu. No den semi edit to Ja ewa bra okasa ewa Parliament Committee on Assurance. A year and they are working on some ne de so and crown 150 million. Any aduonu nsia mu ana Mr. Eric Opoku HMA eyade asan hihye we ebeboa na ahye omonso omhye mra Enquires na ebe yom de omho ebeje eye poultry farming ni mu sa na ebe yom beboa aban na agenda na Ghana eye nkokọ aye krawom edi free amafoforo so banesu ebetimi ate eni omonso enye bi ebetimi aboa man Ghana ye papa pan no chema yade a enchekrode eye former proposal no eba akoto eye mrahye bedwam sa na ebe ya omonso ebetimi ahwehwem no matimi agi atumu no guso eye ho adwuma sa na ebe ya nkokọ no eye ready pair na chese MP are interested in na chese ye de nkokọ ni bi abre na so wetimi aye bi na etimi aboa ma eye poultry production ni bibia so no etimi akoso ye no kasa ye ekyeremu se osi gina ye no se ne ebe ya ono so hu ni se so de MP ni so ehyema ebe boa ma omo so ebetimi ediska ede ahye sector ni na etimi aboa man Ghana yetemam fonkon ana ebetimi ayen kokon ketenkete semra hye bedwafo so de omo hu gima ebe boa.
In fact, I will soon table a proposal before Parliament for consideration. If Parliament agrees, the Ministry of Food and Agriculture will support all parliamentarians to go into poultry production. In fact, as we speak, we are preparing.
Honorable Minister,
I'm talking about proposal.
I'm saying that we have noted your assurance on this particular one, and we'll follow up with it. You have made 2 assurances. We'll follow up on each of them. You have made the assurance on the service centers. We shall visit them, the 50.
Yes.
And see to the conclusion, the construction, and make sure that you have that. And this promise you have also, assurance you have also given about proposal.
Yes.
Trust me, a lot of the MPs, it would help them in their post-retirement.
Mr. Chairman, thank you for applauding my initiative. These are some of the initiatives that the Mahama administration is bringing to this country. And it's good that you are applauding this. I want to assure you that even though I'm calling it a proposal, plans are far advanced. The ministry is procuring some quantity of beds, mainly for members of parliament. And so when I appear before the House, I will indicate to you how we want members to prepare themselves towards it. As soon as the beds are ready, we then distribute them to the various places for members of parliament to be in that business.
Enwachi ana Minister for Food and Agriculture Mr. Eric Opoku ekasa ana ochemu say omo nya nkokon kitinkiti ni bi omo nya won no se no mawe nkokon ni na no mu wi a no masan so atwi phone e de asi omo ani mo si honorable nkokon ya bomodin atimi aye o manyi na emomi enya obi anto nti yankasa no ya che nkokon akumwom are.
Mr. Chairman, these are some of the stories. Now, the difficulty we had with some of the regions, especially in the eastern region, some of the farmers who benefited called me and said, Honorable, our beds are ready. We are not getting the market. And I said, we can find some market for you. So we spoke to some of the processors. Some of them had to move cars from Accra to some of the regions to go and buy the beds. But there are also stories that we can also share. Some also decided to kill and eat all. In fact, they were even sending me videos that, Honorable, we are eating everything. But this is not meant for that immediate consumption. We just wanted people to rear them, sell, and reinvest so that it becomes.
Honorable Minister, that's the trending story, that they are eating the bed. You've seen it, that trending story you have just mentioned.
It's trending?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
That they are eating the bed.
Oh, okay. But Mr.
Eni ya huti ye Minister for Food and Agriculture Eric Opoku no chema akwokwo nketenkete ne sese de omo agasa ekum omo ari omo bomodi ama nkokọ na enyi kama omo nya atofo nti nkokọ no sese omo a eri
enti ehonyo ne ye nkokọ ne wo he ya re ai edia munye nkokọ nketenkete na munyinvest na muntrem na mumfa adwumayefo na Ghana wo munya adwumanya binwi enye no munya nkokọ no wiere mo kire se munya atofo nti no ebiri mu akunkokọ nde aye nkwan awe ofie ho na ese that day no betumi akum 10 abom
so mamre
uko kobla ne fufuo supa na akokwa sere boso a adwonko ye kofi wunya bi Ghana do hey
baba
abani je aba say nkokwa nketenkete monyen na mo de antretrem na amanfo nya adwuma na monton bia market ne manam nya abotre kakra makum nkokwa ni nyina
awe wasa chufo na sinani ma
onabo yesra nkokwa no sade ya ne ya twan sa market ne mba yesi enso yesi kasem ye yakum ede abofuo ne light soup burada yankofo
akoko so ne light soup jo
Ghana de bruta chale kofi yankuya ni mo kase una Ghana na de in fact emu ade bruta Ghana emu ade sna no manam na ya to akase bondo so a yempie mo e o ma Ghana yamase badwafie ehwo na ma cha mehene eyo ni minyamfo aban suma na Kingsford papen wakase akire mi say ade aba kwa wa adwene ho ni so man Ghana mamra ehu behia se ebetena se ne asinkunwa na mpanifo abobo hu ye pa afa adwene ehu ni say o manyim ye behia nipa o mo safata so momwa na yan hyamna wa Ghana adentina se kukuru ne nyina de so ma se badwafo na yeyi ne nana matene nkunwa ahemfo ana afi nso esuma kanifo asofo mpanifo ne imamfo firi mu na mugya o ma nyina to ma se badwafo so na oniminyamfo ma se badwuma cha mehene aban suma na Kingsford suma na papen ekirem say yene mo waye pam efisa manyim edum pempenso a o man Ghana yenim say enipa ebu ompa wo manyim titiriw de dikan na na matene nkonwa ahemfo ana afi nso asofo ukronkronkra hodom akese ne nketewa na dentemu a so obi ene obi nya asempe obedikan akwana matene nkonwa nchen antentem no wakọ ne sofo nchen evisa sofo ewe cancer research so mo batumi atu nipa ne fo pam edna fa yakopon akwan so na matene nkonwa so saa na omote enti adentina yamwa na o ma na mamra no yamfa na matene nkonwa ana afi nso ahemfo yi enka ma hyebadwafo no mu nyina mo ne yenhyemra na yede o manya to amanyofo nkutosu yi o kire mo manyim so bi pa manyosempe na wafra amanyofo nanso ne ma hu hia wo mentitiru pa no eya ahemfo na asofo ne boa ne amanyofo kebom ne yeye ni senti ye o ma ne hyehye ne yeyi amahemfo na asofo to nkyanya emo ma yikura na ma hyebadwuma ahya amehene decide to dwamra National Development Conference jumede to dwa ewa Church of Pentecost asafunum ewa mra na wo kasa na wo kirem say dwumade asunku we ne yade a obesere pa oman momadom tenase na oman Ghana mamra no yenye amendment insakramu ne momade antu bi ntontwene baabi ne yemfa papa bi mfa nhyem kirem say na na ma tren kwanwa ahemfo ne asofo na asuma kanifo bekan no maboa na oman wonim na hwa hyem na oman hyehye ne kanko no etimi akonkoro kirem say ye ne say obegwa pa oman Ghana yetimi akoyanim ewe hyehye akodo opimu.
In fact, I'm one of those campaigning that in the constitutional review we should include the religious leaders and the traditional leaders in parliament. And that's where the true leadership is, not we the politicians. Because when the people get up and they're in trouble, they don't go to the politicians first. They go to their religious leaders, either Queen Mother or the king, or they go to the pastor, and that is where they go to cry. And you have to provide the shoulder. They only come to politicians when they have to do with politics. Yet we go and impose ourselves as the leaders of those societies. How can we mobilize them to develop the nation? I think we need to take this on board. And I want all of you to be involved in the discussions to review our national constitution.
And near Uti ye ayo my Ghana, Yamash bedroom at Yamehene. Oniminyam for Aban, Sumana, Kingsford, Papen. Na nekwa kramo no, ana or therefore amwakwa buadu a otoso enwetwe. Ona ya na nana matren gonja omo fifi mantemu oye wonom a president be the president of the National House of Chiefs and efin so parliament chief edema Breman Esikuma o tirema ihu hia pa so manga na mra no ebetumi makwan na matren konwa ane asofo yi omatumi abawura mu bie na wonum nyina boa ya adwentatoa na Ghana kekere ne mpuntu atumi akonka ne gyoman atu amanyefo nkuto so dia Ghana me ba pai sekura ne kira ebehu se yes Nyankopon yo do tirem sei yema ho kwan no ma na nkasa na matren kodwa kura mra no ema ho kwan sei ahemfo ene omampani ne omanwa ya amanyofo ne kabom kekere man nanso Ghana mpanifo yi omatotwene kura tese se nu ba bi atokodo a omu hia ahemfo omu hia sofo nti ombesere omampanifo omade anya hyehye sonko no mo mo de anyensa kiremu wa amamranim ne yem wona hemfo nso ene ene matene nkonwa na afei asofo mrem na Ghana chekire no enya manyofo nko na betima ne yi.
You cannot do the same things over and over again and expect different results. We need to do things differently. A nation may discover resources, but it must cultivate virtue. A nation must borrow money, or a nation may borrow money, but it cannot borrow character. There may be a number of things to consider during the conference, but one thing we need to deeply consider is the chieftaincy institution, which remains the source of our identity, the symbol of who we are and the basis of our culture. A nation cannot develop as expected without its heritage. Article 270 of the 1992 Constitution guarantees the existence of the chieftaincy institution together with the traditional councils as established by customary law and usage. Yet, we have not been able to fully utilize this centuries-old, tested and resilient institution of chieftaincy to maximize benefits for the country. This remains a concern. We should look at the vision of our ancestors, not the vision of our oppressors.
Any awuti yono na ya president Edema National House of Chiefs awanam ewo Central Region and efin so Parliament Chief Edema Breman Esikuma ne den ade or therefore amwakwa buadu otoso enwotwe.
Yantua Kasiabone so na oba hema Edema besiase Keniago no ewa Amansie West mesninim no ewa santimantemu eya santihema brimpon na najemfu a akosa amwam buade akasa chemu say yade a omonso omu mesninim no omu hia se omu betimi asiesie ho anu nti no di animu ama omanjuma etimi ekoso ewo mpotem ho no akwan ya asese ni naano omu bo omodin ase omu betimi asiesie na omu bo omodin atimi ekatememfo ni na ebomu ehwe se portal se wo honum no betimi afele omu de eya anwea egu botomu de fele portals ni na kama sane ebe ya omu so akone die wonsem no ebetimi akoso ye sanse ho no mo so efa ekodi omujuma obi ko efuo mo obi ko enkwala ni ko school mu akwantu obi kra no mu to ehwa no mo fa no ntino na wo so mo so etimi bomodi ase omode ya boto na omode anwe gum na be hihye portals nim na chese ehye so no etimi afa so na we de omu chire ma eyemne kakra bi no mo yese ne be yo mo so ho betimi ahenhan wom na emom mo hwe nim sa bai ebetimi ababe ya akwan no enso etimi ede ama wom na ye na najemfo akosa enetimemfo no ekasa na ochemu se nani aso ewo ne omo so aye ede ama na sunset abra okasa ye no mu na etie ye ebehia mu ehwe so manjuma ne so no ebetimi akoso na emom osre aban eni nwumeko ahodo ewo man Ghana mu so omo so embeboa no ma akwa no mo nya FM a o sunset omo so enoa anomu didi omujuma
tuvo ze tutu ana sene na dra santema ho na da ne da o trenensa no tu na hemfo ene na hemafo se o di closure won sa o se o makro no hu hia oyi ndie le me bai se me ne me mai eba na de sisi kuru especially when first day me ba ha no na me de cement any iron rods alo do the car ma na me de ko me du kwa mo ba bi no na duedu esi kwan na ye ma hometi ye ma reho eti nsu ele kura me de gu fam se na nanom se o mo mo me na mintini anya de fata na me hwe se metini ayi kwan amba me se sika bebere ri twa kwan yesu nyina akosi kuru no me ho se ensu eto a atwa fa kwan yesu ama ekwan amana dem kan ntimi nko ema ntene me to me ho se me bobo me man no me nante na no ne ya ba ba ye ekwan na be siesi bi se ne ni na ebetimi de ama aban no aban ne ye na famu de nanso ye nkuroma fo de na ye ntene ba ya ye de muba ene moto tutu na tie ene ria tutu na tie adudu akwan yesu ama ene se mu ha yetimi afa ha ko na kai nko kai ma sebe obebi kura awaka obebi ana obi yare okure mu aka na edin batu esa kwane nya ha den
eni ya uti ye eyoba hema Edema besiase Keniago no ewa Amansie West mesninim ewa santimantemu eya asante ma brimpon na najemfo akosa amwam na enu achi anatememfo nso ewo honom ebo eyoba hema abaso ye pa esanse ni bibiara oye echesa wa hofama enso Edema mesni no sanso anampotem ho nso ye die enhuhia no
And they make a chair and I must say, Nanomono, Yankopo, Wishano. If you say, Yenny Penny and a war, Abadaye, Emily Crew, you want my one, I am out for me, I was anti-member. As woman to me, been to me 2 or more, I said, you can marry Brazil or Pesuaso. And if you queer, in fact, so do the Kai, do the Kedrua, adding pass, waiting me do Kai.
Eni ya uti ye timemufo amo besiase Keniago ewa Manse West mensini nim na maniboy yensem choni samofo ibuatin ana di fra santimantemo ebesomye
yantoa kasebo no so na yemfiri o my Ghana ya santimantemo na yemfe ya ni fenchire mo humasia mu na osoafo no men oda ye humasia ano oniminyamfo Haruna Idrisu akase kirem se nansen o my Ghana Oko excuse ahuduo mu a ede ne yehuni esu bi a akyerɛkyerɛfo ni bi ene adusuafo ni bi de na die no kyese epantoma ayese da de Lumba nwom no kyese no aye den ye pam enti obesere kwankyerɛfo peni ono ene wode oman aso ehwe ya disua ensensem som Director Generals of GS Professor Ernest Kofi Davis wasira ne pam ontena se no ne na pam fo nyehye so nku bi na o manyim yenhwe hu ni say yen schools ahudo mu teacher ni asabe ommu no ho no bedi nsem hu no wabo akyerɛkyerɛ emra so adi nsem hu no emra ne fa ne to no level sana disuafo nso mo nam school mu bankyere ehye sigalate enum wi ebo adwama wa classroom no so na emra no emfa obi anto no level pepepe na oniminyafo kyerem say enna mekese o manga na indiscipline pa wo ye schools ni mu no ye Chese atra pokra emofrei chese momfa boga nya swan ene won hwan won betwa adapa ene ye bo ye ba bejimu kronom momani na hopam ma ye frama na momfa no sese ye wie school ye ba fie ba ye be de monso mofrei ye ntia se na se mofrei wo musisi fia se wo fam singreti na se mpre wasam ni nsem hunu sam no nimnyafo ni se de tudwamra emfimpim mienu na de onu nsia eye Gallop National School Awards jumade todwa wanaja watain na ye kita wonsa bo so taso nkron ebo mfimpim mienu ne aduonu eye mfimpim mienu aduonu ensiemu no nimyafo kirem se obesere pa ni manim yadam asahwe manga na hye so ntenase enye hye yesoro nko eno be ya asotwen ye de ma school ni abofra obebo na bra se de ope no mfa o manga na hye ya ebo ya dusia ho pan emfa nya adwuma na kyerefo na omo so bedi nsem no ema na omu nyina ni sadia esefi se sabe twekokora ka se wo kame abofra na ba na wo se abofra no ne dache
in discipline involving you learners and students, in discipline involving examiners, in discipline involving headmasters, and in discipline generally as a Ghanaian disease. We need to work at it. So today, the Director General of GES is with us. You are empowered under President Mohammed's research agenda to deal forcefully with any act of indiscipline in our school. Be it a teacher or a student, don't spare the rod. And don't spare the rod. So the Director General of GES, there must be consequences for misconduct. Conduct that is not consistent with acceptable norms and code of behavior. And you must ensure that we are moving away from responsibility-centered discipline to progressive discipline.
Na ne kura muna oniminyamfo Haruna Idrisu echiremu say nansen omunya nente se bore senior high school num ochechire ni baako science laboratory ana school ni abaya baako a ne to abopa se afase ana waka abaya ednatna desk baako so ana ma abaya ebie ne system unit nim ana teacher ni edna pen drive se befua 10 pam ede atintim abaya gengam no awia kete ma abaya ne hu fifire pram no na watiam sam o kire ma de adea o ma be no yatie sabi o kire ne antumi amfere ne ho e ma otumi aba sete abaya system unit awia kete atimi anyin sente ne pen drive 10 pa e ma awia kete fifire bone fire abaya yi dia no wadene enti obesere o man Ghana Post Service no nimu yada mo ma mo honya ha na Boris in high school teacher ni a oni abaya kwada awia kete e wasan laboratory no monche no Namra emfa ne nto ne level na de oyeye no etia o man Ghana adusua ehye no kra.
But your discipline must be progressive. It must be one for which learners must pay for misconduct and teachers too must pay for misconduct. We've seen the example in Bali, unacceptable, shameful. So the police, we are watching you and we are watching how you proceed with the investigation and how you go further to do the needful of prosecution to deter that unacceptable behavior and conduct of a teacher.
Any ya wuti ye ono ana ye wosoafo omen ohwe yadesua eso ne den ede oniminyamfo Haruna Idrisu.
Yantoa kasiabone so namra shebedwani ede makwada so ayonyonyafo Kingsley Nyako ede eye nisikam aye ni botomu sika bomode atimi asi ICT lab ede ama aya patrapa Roman Catholic Basic School ene Ohimase Anglican Basic School esan so ede equipment ahodro mu hia ni na atimi ede akam ho na ode eye 15 desktop computers sanso na projector eye projector screen ni bi any projector decks atimi ede nkonyom betna so nyina no obomodin a etini nyina ede kan ho sane ebe ya desua ho nsem so no ebetimi akoye etimi ede amawom na dwumadie no ade municipal chief executive honorable Erica Sibe sanso na deputy municipal education director Mr. Louis Boache ene nananom ahimfu nyina etimi ekwase sane ebe yo betimi akobia no ede ama school mienu ya ewon potem honom na bra onyonyamfo Kingsley ekasa ana ochemu say ade esese biaya yedu no modern education na chese ekoso tetene ma no se bi etwem into ICT lab na wabie ade ama school mienu betimi aboa wom ekoba se omo soso no hwehwemu bia de afa bibi ma betimi soso no aboa na chechefo ne so etimi ahwese acheche ene adesua ho nsem ebetimi akoso ye nti wasra ban so omo so emboa se ekoba so betimi aboa school sa wodo na omo so emboa sane ebe yo mo so mo wo bi e won potem ahodo ne so betimi di bia ka ho na adesua ho nsem etimi akoso
adesua and as it is in charge Sammy as we speak now there's a economy until ICT we are saying the ICT is kind of education we are making the amount of metro because school normal only computer
Enia uti ye eyemra shebedwani edema kwada so eyonyonyamfo Kingsley Nyako na manibo ye nsem twoni Barbara Cranton ana de besomye
we are nyina we so na yem madwenkyere ne bitew wo Facebook no so emfa ensemo wo kasebo no so dia na me wo fa ase dora ya Adjoa Agyei dia ba no so ma yadwo ne wo fa Mr. Samuel Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy P na ohwe life edi free Christian Village Achemwata dia news ojawom na o kire mi se obi aboa kra solofu ne solofufui kakadi ama na odi aka ho dia ba na mo fa ase coach afane dia ba na wo so ohwe life edi free oboas na o kire mi se Ghana man pani hwe ni ye pe free se emiri be atwam odi confirm ba ye te se o makọ Burkina Faso ye hu o bio sei Ghana re hye ni bia chese nkokwa nketenkete no manya tofo do masha ase awi o made ba ne sa na yese o mo bo man ne ka so mo modern hwe ne nkokọ no o mutumi de investment ni na Ghana fo nya adwuma dan se o mbe wi ne sa ene de be adwen ne na adwen twede ne no me wa fa assistant abaka de ba so ma ya Adjoa dear news or here live the free time free zone kasebo ne taxi angaza my regards to mama otobroni o se yan kan chema modobroni so do no too much o hunu mfoni kwa bibi ya ye no do no pam no was say tell me say Lumba super papa no 100% get a grip and what they aka ho e de abam na eyewitness multimedia Ghana mo fa say na odia asempa aha odi aba na wo kire me say kasebo no live watinu in ameke say otia oni passengers ni nyina e fili famum Kofi Parliament the aba no say dear news ba ko pe doing the listening loud and cry inside Agunabo Bikuma upper Kofi Parliament no the free central region e de babesman mrei Ghana fo ye ba mo chan tew yes so say time aso mo ba na wo cha meyi wato atwene se kwa ko hwebo ni bi ene eye France versus Morocco Africa ba ko pa ya kemu no enti ayi onimnyafo alum na duzi kiremu say Ghana Post Service omo nkwache ayi cheche ni na oni school ni abaya kwadaye ewo Bole Senior High School mumfa namla sese ya na omo nka na chim prefisa sabi ade a waye ne yade a ha adwen pam enuma chenso o kiremu say omfa nyehye bi mra no be ya den ne yamfa ntwe ya mofra a omudinsim hunu ewo schools no munyina so efi say enne niam mofra ne ye no ano odene wona na ye adwen ana ahoma ne dem 0534050199 0593406565 0534050199 ana 0593406565 Majo
Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy
Dixon Bada kon droba achema de kuro champion yenti animre yi
akwa nyame nhyira on Adjoa Pabo market no bangana
ya da se
da wa pasimi si no di sanse mu na mo wonje ne
omo hu be yo nam kura
ai Ghana nti aposha na oji se obi be confirm se yen transfer na ya tere nti atu ni awudi di sanse mu na za ni pe bi ni ya wo
pa
pa ta wasere yewo Enquiries na so na buga
okay
now
medase yo woni de me wofo ahoma no emwa kura facha me pa ahoma ne mwa ba kokura madwo me dofo
hello ye jaofa
wudi na bia kasa free
from ya tenkam kasa fi obo adaka
champion me yenti wanimre
teacher ni no ye sade no wanya ade kura se ya twina so na won ma ka chirom so se no de asuade yes teacher for on be ko so ya sade de mamba no ko so tan teacher for ye o ma no de se sa ban teacher na so pa ma me da se
me so me da se pa majo me wo fa se comfort mati
majo ofa
empombo ko de
pacho bo ade ado
ma yenti wanimre
okay kaka mekanise it's as if say they are canning na ye kan etia teacher ni no but I was say ye hwe na ye hu ni say wan yiri akwala no e wo mu say de oye ye na enye but wan force akwala no aso mu nyina ye ready a omo plan is omo ye bibisa see me to me no me blame teacher ni no akwala no so na was say ye blame me say teacher na wanya different but when it's as if akwala no so enjoy
mate medase ene wadwe ntrese akwala no so nani agye ho majo kafra wantumi antwen majo
ya ofa
wudi na bia kasa free me dofo
ati friend ya me kasa fi asema promise
sini me yentu anumre
bacho me say Ghana asi no obi a eso di na djuma nti ebe an klienti akwala ni chiche ni nyina na ntwo mu nyina so
okay mate medase pa no wadwe ntre majo hey me wo fa se chese adwuma ne minyan wa hu obesa ma so awie na do aso akoye adwuma sa na ate twomu fi radio no wande say meyi wa free so hello me wo fa se be ni
ya frame pen mi kasa fi kasa
oh me wo fa se kasa fo nso dan kampem asempa na nka betutu maso animre mate medase pa wa ya de se watumi atwe ho afri radio no ho yentie wadwe ntra ho fe
pacho ni bisase Ghana ha se emawo ahama teachers ni student was school
yeah well code of conduct e was school o my Ghana education service e adwuma e say obi ntumi ni sansem hu no
Incident no mo yen hwen han masa na mane koso
it's all about enforcement omo mamra na nya adwuma ya ha oni ni
oh omo nye bibi na ready ano ye den esa na wo kura na person fa kura no ko school a because of the course ni nhu ni awonye
yo
esa education na wo nti omo nye bibi fa huma ye
medase ya menchira opi mechia kasoafo nyina
pacho
all right majo medafo
ye ja over
Kofi ma shaman Diamond City body town yanko
over edia
e kasen
kromo asevedo over o de kromo anu imrano ayana ye nyanfo na echi so ti ase
ayana sententan
over ni ngam ngejuma
medase majo medafo
hello
yes I would never be a kasa free
but me do kobi me kase se utu bodwase.
Bra kobi utu bodwase Central Region me pacho me yente wanyimiri.
Yo me da se du mapa mo ye.
Yes, yeah, that's it.
Me da te da mama ka no school nan kasa so bra wo. Na enda mkitesa na wa bana se do wo mo church o mo ho di church for no masa enya de kitwo.
What was into the enwa?
Me na da o. Me nya ka wona da ma bi what to finti de wo school what to na ye ye nkokwa ka se me de se wonam na wo kan benyin wa sama. So itie pa na che de mo fa na wona nya mo fa bo dizielo.
Ayo.
But ni nya chi no benyin no si ni pansa na wo ko nti no benyin teacher ni so wa nya de.
Medase
na mo ho bia wo fanto medase.
Me so medase pa ene wa dwe nkyere ma dwe o medofo. Hello. Me wa fa si yem so okwa ni akwa akwada. Dole ya je waje. Sister Dola. Dola amsa online we freezy enti wonte menka ka fra wate nyabo apayokra. Ma dwo wo ya me last call awdi na bia ka free.
Ya sana ya hu inu o Facebook na de ade no agwanu so me say obunya na moka e na no so waji tu sana omu say ade enye daba ko e ja omu ye kan bia etine ja ka bi ba go to mi hu a so onu so peru pa de so wo ye ni mu de no wale nu asa e da omu fa no go tu ma no so be ya asem etine be ya o pese o ye no ho ya no wale
yo mate
so pe no wo ye saman
mate
o so ye demand
yo mate me da se pa onkonko wa no mate na o pese o wa na classroom o laboratory san laboratory na kwa esa ewurade nyankopon adwonko majo
ye nya bra
good evening meje wo se wodi na bia kasa free
Pasha Femi so Olivia me kasa free tema
sister Olivia tema body tema ye ne yenkoya ni ma ho fe
aha me pacho dia mechanic say ye secondary schools nankasa eniema na ekosu no ehu wo hwe eniema ekosu secondary school a ebia ni achiche ye ade teacher pe akola so ko school a wa hwehwe ni uniform yi we twa ni shop ena na ni na kukum nyina de ho eti medium dia mechanic say nka miya ya ye panish omu mienu ni na nye lesima nkola ma kani na nyame hira obebre
yenso yesi yankopon hira opi sister Olivia tema nyame hira mo nyina na afrefo ne yesere mo yada mo asepara ma dwe nkyere ebi mu guso frɛ na so bre ni te no enya de sister ya dole ya je waje
my friend is sound
me pa cho fa cha me na homa na so aye me peke ya na ajampo ntinyame a wae yentie o
mati cheninu mi pese yenchi no na yenchira ni nyansa so obi di ne ba
dole wa homa no eso aye trose nkuruma oni ahoden nti dia ya no afrafo ne yesere mo ahoma ne de eguso ewoso nanso ye kase betumi ane ye boabre no ekokra sister Dola so ahoma no network na nti ye besere na fa che yen ene ya shada se yemfa obi kom kase bone ye dia sisika omo se omo nche teacher ni no ne abofre ne nyina bisi kura che se teacher ni yem punish ne ade a wonso wo se ho sen ye braso
yeah. Okay, I think someone teacher ni no omo nche no
no munya den
no minya kran komunyi nedi yes now abofra ne so omo nche na so because you abofra bone
so both of them should be punished
yes abofra na dia utimi jinde na ya kola bone
but o mache me Dixon bad akoya adwene asem we see ye no is getting to 2 months now asat na muntu menchi teacher ni no o man ne wo mra eboa hwema ya disua sensem konka ne into obi onye ready so obeboa no waboa na de kira konka ne ba ne sa na egu achechirefo omu ku omu ho ebre mogya ne ye adwuma esom ebi bro na sabe ba akofo sisim denti no kofo how de ma chirefo aka egu omu ho fi it's so bad me how ne say so pa ba ya na fa ne kofie it shouldn't be in the science laboratory teacher ni nani ante ena obi ka say abofra no so nani je ho fine it's true abofra ne yakwala bon ne momanie teacher ni wunim de wona wode nimde e hye abofra ne trim ade ni o wona de nimde ni nyansan ma abofra ne yakobo bra daache teacher ni ka so opona wanya school nyame anka wade ujai obetan wani dwuma obedi wo no wokọ yen university school na ate kira fo no be lectures ni pio ma ne ma ne de da ansa na mo pass wo no ena wo pa adwuma kura wokọ a wo boss opese oka hwe ansa na wo akwanya eyade e ekoso it's so bad so the teacher must be punished and the student and so no ese wa be yesa no so na ese won so
yeah
penifo se bobi jaja kwa nya ko no so kra na yesa kakra fa na ni ase se be ya next time
enjoy ejuma ne ye
aha
omonje ne certificate en ni sem aside we ne crampo there some videos and also be out the same teacher
sa na ekoso na se wa ya che
anu na ye videos no
afina ne ho to
yeah the abani no anu na ye video ni akola ne patcho ni
na se wanya bia hwe wo
wo
fa ne de man nyima so tirintima hu
ma hwe bia
kofi de no nya
show ni certificate ni free ni sem no got na
onko akura ase na mo ma na be post wafu na onko dua kuku man
school or power chokra still now
aba no so hwe ne topa ne se de wote na obeya kwala bone pa ahu enti yakopon ya adom ekena Ghana man pani ahye se eye holiday afofida o man ye kwasiesie mpotem ne mansina hodo anso to ya efa ye no kroma ya tan enti mesere ekena kopon ya adom anyi hu mfrim ye nyine kwasiesie krom na me wafa bia ka se ekirem se ahusiesie no so ye obi a wokwa so na ntumi siesie wo ho a heaven ensi ho o kire ni nsemu se ni yenso so me wafa se den
sa wo pe heaven akode a no kura ne se baabi a wote ye no wantimi ansiesie wa heaven ho nya Peter ne ko siesie baabi a mo atena
Peter onya se adwuma no enya Peter adwuma enti se wunsiesie baabi a wote a heaven ho mesrew ja so na kona tena fi wate wabregu kwa kasi ye bone ye de asemu semufo ne ye miss mebela ho fadua entwi ne se mu man ne abade gede jade trim se chichira ho ma oba ho fe so no papa bituntum se owie no obo adwuma brutam na me wafa se champion teller ansro Giant boy Kofiti edi PM wo Facebook na fi yiti makase bo no wenya bi ehweyem sa na me wafa se mesa Sammy kwa dodo na fa se DJ Zigibi ene ye din amaneta de frɛ no echinchim kase frɛ mfoma de sumi ya numere yi akenkanfo ye banu tu edi ameje so ye wafa wasi ade ye de wa Bema 10 gram wini ho fedwa no at wo fa Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B me wutedin ene bantwere bona na otafiri ja me ne mo fa se ba
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
yes aso a wonim wiase nyina agu kansie eye world cup no ekwaso agudem akonfofo na ye krado DJs gibi abawure fie hanom enya semkuma tam asokra Morocco ene France Africa ba ko pe na aka ena mo ho ayempe ten na ekọ ye ni na ba fie ye bom pa se Morocco se de tie bia ne Morocco be yi France afrim me de menim se Morocco be yi Frank ye France afrim enti ye so a enhwa na be run commentary no is it Kanetata Bismarck or hwan na eba enti agudie ma akonfofo na eba Bismarck ofia ha sanso na Kenneth Atta ewa ha nam Kofi Ken official o ha DJs gibi ka ho ene Obohuraman Mfante brother no and na fin so me am wo fa se Kenneth ba kwi gwa fa ne say mo fa se o University of Ghana we but the dimam ya esika odisika bante na fi ba kwa Jesse o nyina beboa na ye de live commentary France versus Morocco abehye so inti yes also wono ma no befa kese fide de afri aha de akopem say and the time come pon matro ma pon nti o mo ba de obete ani all right, DJs gibi se yam fan check ese yankoma eye Kwaku Jones aka Lions Kwaku Jones aka Lions why ni nyina se nya wan kan na so be shibuta adwuma wa yama ne ne nka ka obetua no enti Mr Kwaku Jones aka Lions enumere ya menhira opi na onya wakeze bia wo bia no yakopon ti na mu fan chiro ya so nanso afiba DJ international man o de bede ba kwa wo yenkonsanti manka pe eka ba Kofi nya menhira watem na international DJ everybody aba na wo kire mi say me wo fa sa ne din edi Jennifer wo kire ma nene hasbi na de nyina eye ne birthday de din edi Mr Solomon Nyansafo edi ne pa amansan ko ponhira Mr Solomon onya ne kese o mpaja ne fra adum kwa adum o ma ne kwa tenten na de ahia ne bi ahia na de na koma so bia so de so na koma so nti nyanko ponhira ne pi no nko so onya ne kese be ko so ado na akopem ne wuda enti we happy birthday efiri me wo fa si Jennifer ntan eko edi amani kuna de nyina Mr Solomon ya menhye ne pe na woda no onya ne sono kokura yes asoma agudie ma akonfo na betena so mo de live commentary the match versus France and Morocco ampaye bedwa yakramo